some of the best dive locations on the planet. It's also known for its excellent cuisine, relaxing atmosphere and stunning sunsets. And if you want all of this in one place, it's at the world-famous Sunset House. With cozy Caribbean-style rooms right on the water, Sunset House attracts dive fanatics from all over the globe. Take a morning 2-tank dive, afternoon dive, or even explore the waters just offshore at night. If you're looking to capture your underwater adventure with some photos or video, Kathy Church's Photo Center has everything you need from gear to private lessons. Just steps from your room, Sea Harvest Restaurant offers incredible dining options, including decadent curries and seafood. My Bar is a local hotspot where happy hour seems endless, and the air is filled with the sound of slapping dominoes. Order a rum punch or your favorite glass of wine at the end of the day, unwind and take in the spectacular sunset.